Well, this was a lovely spot, and it's now completely clear. No trace. None at all. Stuff of legends. Oh, so that slobber, man. Oh. Eee. More rain on the way in about 20 seconds. Got the gators out today, boys. Another river crossing down. Oh, climbing up now. Getting some decent altitude. Doing the high route over Helm Crag and Gibson Knott on that, these fells. Johnny's got the low. I can actually see. Where is it? There he is. Okay. See you on the other side, Johnny. Gibson Knott. Right, next. This is the top of Helm Crag. This is one of my favourite fells in the Lake District. I'm very happy to be up here. Very happy indeed. Bit of an anti-fun one tonight. Sort of pitched in a farmer's field with a few places in view, so just going to keep it super low profile and yeah, get some sleep. But this is us for the night. Tabs is settled. Mission complete.